Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I want to show you the latest project that I'm working on for Laura at the Button Farm. We are going to make a gorgeous childhood album featuring 49 and Market Toddler Time. This collection is gorgeous, and this is what you get in your kit. You're going to receive this beautiful mint binder. I hate to tear this. Sometimes I like to use these pieces. There we go. Take this off so you can see what's in here. Look at this cover. It is stunning. And we also have ribbon, this beautiful, very chic black striped ribbon that we'll use on the cover. I love that. Inside, let me remove the packing. You're going to get all these wonderful pieces. There's flip outs. So fun. There's pocket pages. There are flat pages. And then we have all these wonderful little reinforcement tabs and labels. And then there are the pocket pages, 4x6, 3x4, like mixed up. So we're going to make, this is going to be just a wonderful album and super quick and easy to put together because we're getting this mint album in our base. It's going to be wonderful. Then, in addition to that, we're getting the 6x8 collection pack. This is 27 sheets. You're going to get 3 each of 9 double-sided papers and 2 extra patterns inside the covers. And just look at these colors. One of the things I love about this collection is that it can be used either way, boys or girls. It's very versatile, and the colors are just stunning. I love these vintage images that they've used, flashcards. It takes me right back to first grade with Dick and Jane. Just beautiful. And you can just imagine, I don't know if you're like me, but I have grandchildren. What a beautiful way to display their photos. I mean, this is just a really, really special paper collection. And I'm excited that we're going to be working with it. Look at these. Beautiful. I love the teals, the mints. Look at these sweet little cats and dogs with this wonderful all over print, old newspaper print, which is one of my favorites. 49 and Market does such a beautiful job with vintage. They really know what they're doing. And the thickness of the papers always impresses me. This is really heavy cardstock. There's nothing flimsy about this. So there's the 6x8. You're also going to get a few sheets of the 12x12 for the images. I just love, look at this little lammy, so cute. And I wanted us to have some of these image sheets. I like this polka dot. I thought these would be great inside covers. These are great cut apart pages. I mean, and this plaid on the back is stunning. So you're gonna get that. That's what, 6 sheets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of 12x12. You're going to get 10 sheets of the solids. And it also has these bonus sheets on the back. So this is beautiful, beautiful. Gonna look great with this collection. I love their distressed backgrounds, but then you also have the solids. So we're gonna use these to make mechanisms, pockets, flip out pages, fold out pages, so that you have tons and tons of room for photos of those little ones. And then you're also going to get, if that's not enough, this wonderful packet of the laser cut elements. And these are gorgeous. Wait till you see them. There are cut aparts on the back side. Look at this old primer page, so sweet. Then look at all these little frames. And the thing I love about these laser cuts is they just pop right out. It is so easy to use these. So we can frame, we can add embellishments. These are a great size. They're not too small. I really love the laser cuts. So, oops, let me flip this. See, they just fall right out. They're beautiful. Little tricycles, rocking chairs, old style carriages. The doilies are stunning. Look at that. So beautiful. These little tickets. So sweet. So if you've got somebody who's going to be having a baby, I love this lace, these lace borders. We're going to have fun with those. Wouldn't this make a beautiful baby shower gift? And then in addition, you're getting the 95 die cut shapes. So this is a huge kit, and these are just stunning. All kinds of little tags, beautiful ephemera, the little tickets. Look at these sweet little houses and trees. So cute. We can make our pages really special with all of these goodies. So I think this is going to be I love using these for pockets, library cards. So fun. I can't wait to dig into this. This is going to be great. And then finally, we're going to get 6 buttons, bright, bold buttons that go really well with the paper collection. I think it's going to look great. Buttons always are wonderful on a baby project. So if you've got a baby shower coming up, if you've got a loved one that's going to be having a new baby, if you've got a toddler in your life, your own children's baby pictures that maybe you've never done, this is a great time to dig in and create a beautiful album with 49 and Market Toddler Time. So I'll be back to show you what we're making so that you know what it's going to look like in the end. So don't go away. I'll be back. So what are we making? Well, how about this gorgeous vintage photo album? It is so beautiful. These papers are just wonderful. And I've layered up all kinds of elements here on our cover to give it lots of dimension and design. This lovely laser cut lace and little things from our ephemera packs all layered in together. And then this wonderful black and white striped ribbon, which is such a great complement to the mint album. The spine and the back are plain. I didn't feel like we needed a lot. There's so much going on the cover. So let's look at the inside. Inside the front cover, we've got this wonderful pocket with pages and 2 really large 6x8 photo mats that go in here. So lots of room in this album for photos and journaling. And I will tell you that many of these pages can be done in 5 minutes or less. I kept everything really simple. Here's our cover page, and these 2, I'll take this out so the glare doesn't bother you. But these 2 pages, this page, the frames are left open so you can slip your photos of your child or your baby or your parents in there. So just a super simple page, and on the back side, just another lovely simple little page with room for a beautiful photo right here. And this is kind of the title page, I guess you would say, for our album. And I wanted it to be really special. So I took a little extra time doing this one. But I always feel like when you're doing a mini albums are such a big undertaking, you kind of want to keep it simple. So this page has a fun flap element with this lace, the rocker, a doily, a little tag. These little buttons in this collection, I love them. This flips up. You've got room for a photo, a flip down page with room for a photo, and room for journaling or another small photo here. This is actually a pocket, and this pulls out. It's just the 6x8 paper, folded in half, scored in half, and it tucks inside the pocket. And this is a flap page, and we've got room for 2 more big photos here. And these elements are glued down just on the edge so you can fit your pictures in nicely. And this flips over. Here's another great big photo page, just dressed up with some tickets and titles. Again, everything is done so that photos can be slipped back behind. This is a little flap page. Room here for a beautiful photo. I love this pattern. And then this flips out. You've got a little photo mat here with lace and a little photo mat here with lace and little postage stamps. This lovely little, it's like a twisted metal frame. It's so sweet. And then this flips over, and this is a fun little flip flap page. You pull the tags out of the pocket, And this page flips this way, and this page flips this way. So you can put a great big photo here, and journaling or smaller photos here. So these go in here, and then this sweet little card is in the top pocket. And of course, you've got room for journaling on the pockets. This is one of the 4x6 pocket pages. This one has the image, and then down below, room for you to add a photo. Again, I did it so that you can slip the photo back behind the ticket, and then the reverse on the other side. Very simple. I kept everything super simple. This is that fun flip out page. So here's a great big image. This flips up, and you've got room for 2 little wallet-sized photos here. Super sweet. And then over here, you can just put a nice photo right here and have the cute little kids playing around the outside edge. This is a fun gatefold with a slider mechanism. So this opens like this. You've got room on the sides for journaling, and then you've got a belly band, a decorative belly band with lots of photo mats tucked inside. So there's lots of room here for photos and journaling. You can put a photo or journaling on the back or front of this. And here's this other little piece that you can do a photo on the back or the front, and again, room for journaling. So I just wanted to make sure you had lots of room for your photos. All right, so this page is just a simple photo mat page. And again, the elements are put in such a way that you can slip your photos back behind. Here's a lovely pocket page with some photo mats, room for journaling on the back. So you can see, simple but really fun and lots of room for photos. Here's another slider page. This one slides off. And then you've got room for photos here and here. Inside, room for a big photo and journaling space here and here. So you're gonna love, if you've not made these slider mechanisms before, they're really fun and they're super simple, but they just give it that little extra interactive touch that make it so fun. All right, 4x6 pocket pages. This lifts out, room for journaling and photos. You can put a large photo beneath. These are 3x4s. And there's the reverse on the back with another one of these. Again, this beautiful wreath page with lace at the bottom and room inside for great big photos. Guess what? This is a hidden pocket. So all this room for photos, and then room for a great big photo here. And of course you have room that you can journal. And this slips into the pocket on this side. And then when you flip this over to the other side, here's the other pull out. So you've got lots of room, really, really lots of room. So I just think this is so fun. And the papers are so cute. I didn't want to cover them up with a lot of stuff. I wanted them to stay. 3x4 page. Super. This is like under 5 minutes. This is a little belly band page. And I put this little doily in to keep these from falling out. These are 6x6 photo mats that we dressed up with our little doilies and titles and tabs. I love the tabs on the side. And these just slip under this belly band, slip under this doily, and they stay in there nice and snug and secure. So that's a really fun page. Flip this. Here's another belly band page. I'm going to show you how to use your scraps. This again is an under 5 minute page. Just simple photo mats, these cute little pull tabs, and a really pretty belly band, and the doily at the bottom to keep things from falling out. This is a pocket page, and this time I took that flip page and I turned it into a pocket. And we put 2 really beautiful pull-out photo mats in here. And these little turn tabs. I just thought, I love like a little pull-out pocket folio like this. This flips down, so you can put your photo here and your journaling here, and then there's room for another photo on the back. And this lives in the pocket. Turn this page, and this is a really beautiful, this is our last page, because the album was getting pretty fat. So this is a fun flip-up page with 5x7 photo mats. So you can easily fit 5x7 photos here. These are not glued down on the tops, so you can slip your photos behind. And here's our back pocket. I just used up some scraps to make this cute little pocket folio. And it's got our little ABC card and a little tag. and a couple little word sticks tucked in there, which gives you a fun place to add some journaling. And then on the inside, I've got these little envelopes tucked in, so you can do, this would be pretty with a photo mat in here, and then room for journaling on the back, 2 more photo mats, and then room for more photos here. So like I said, lots of photos. I want to make sure you have lots of room for photos of those cute babies. And then this is just a little mini folio. Super cute. And that is what we're making with our Button Farm Club 49 and Market Toddler Time kit. You can order the kit at Button Farm Club. All the supplies are in, so it will ship quickly. This is not a subscription kit. This is a standalone kit. This is not one of my card kits or anything like that. So if you want this, you need to order it, and Laura will get it out to you quickly. And thank you so much. I hope you're excited about this kit. I know I am. I think it's beautiful. All right, friends, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. Go get your craft on. Bye.